Hello guys, welcome to day 62 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to continue creating my own website. As you know, it's about 2 months that I started this challenge to be a full stack web development programmer, and I successfully created a website for a test. So I was trying to test myself, and today I'm going to continue coding that website, and at the same time I'm going to explain for you what I'm going to do so we can progress together. Let me record my screen and show it to you. Okay. So what we have done yesterday was completed this page, which is the portfolio page of my website. So I have created this menu, and I have created a home page, which is not perfect, but it was a try. And we have done creating some boxes here, and this will be a link in the future. So now we are trying to create a contact list. So if you remember from yesterday's video, I was trying to complete this design: a picture of mine, a forum, and a send button. That's it. So let's create this page. We already created an HTML document for it, and we completed some codes here, and this is the codes for my menu, I think. Let me check. So yes, the menu class is belonging to my menu, but I think I should not have the menu classes here because we have no menu here. But right now I found a problem. So if we don't put a menu here, when the user come to my website and he want to go to main page, how can he do that if we don't have a main page here? So let's create a main page in our design first. So if I put a menu here, it looks good? Like if I copy this, it doesn't work. Print screen. Use print screen. Cut this. And Control Z, paste this, and if we want to put our menu right here, doesn't look professional, the appearance, right? But for now, it is the only design that crossed in my mind. So let's just create it for now. We can change it later if we want. So this is our design. And one thing that I have noticed here is, as you can see, we have a white space here, but we don't have it here. So why is that? Maybe it's about margin, right? Let me check that. Inspector. Here we have margin, I think. Left margin. There should be left margin here. Margin block start, margin block end, inline start, margin. Why it doesn't choose this margin here? The URL. It have a 40 pixel of margin padding. Right. So where is this 40 pixel? In portfolio page. Control F. 40. We cannot find any 40 pixel here. Where is that? How can I find it? I don't know. So this is the UL. I cannot find that 40 pixel padding, but maybe I can say padding 0. Control S. Nope, doesn't work. Or maybe I have to say that menu dot UL padding 0. Control S. Yes, that's right. Created. They fixed the problem. So what I have done here is to point out the UL as a child by this sign. Okay, so this problem has been fixed. And let's come back to our contact page. So I don't know why I put it here. I'm going to delete it for now and start from 0. So we put it the background color for our contact page, and now we want to create a div. let's resize this first. So we have to create a div, put it in the center. Oh, I remember why I created that menu now. So we created a div with a 500 pixel height and 800 pixel width. Control S. Let's check that. Open with Live server. So this is our div, and how to put it in the center. Yeah, now I remember. We stuck with this problem about making it in center. Display flags, justify content, align items center. A div tag, not going to center. Set the position of your div to absolute, so that it taken out of the normal document flow. Set the top property to 50%. This tells the browser to line up the top edge of the div with the center of the page vertically down the page. 11 ways to center div or text in div and CSS. Let's check this out. I remember one of you guys told me about center. How to center. And, it was a new comment. I can't remember where I saw it. Nope, I cannot find it. So let's come back here. How to center a div vertically. Let me check something first. Let's remove center. Can I remove this? Nope. Justify self center. Control S, and where's our document? Nope. Set the position of your to center a div vertically on a page. You can use the CSS position property. So there was a comment about positioning in absolute, inherit, and one of you guys told me that I can position my div tag from the top left of the screen. So I think there is a problem with position problem. Position. Maybe I should use left and right. Left from left, like 500 pixel. Oops. Let's check this if it's work first. So where does this go? I have to say right. Going to right, 50 pixel, Control S. So like one more zero. Nope, doesn't work. Position, static. Still doesn't work. Where is the problem? I don't know. So some of you guys told me to use Flexbox, but it doesn't work for this div. I don't know. Flex display center. Let's see what we can find in a Flex container. To center our box, we use the align items property to align our item on the cross axis, which in this case is the black axis running vertically. We use justify content to align the items on the main axis, which in this case is the inline axis running horizontally. So justify content for horizontal and align items for vertical spacing. You can take a look at the codes of this example below, change the size of the container or nested element, and the nested element always remains centered. So we have a box element, display flex, align item center, justify content center. Box div, width and height. Why it separated the height and width in a different place? I mean, it's different from here. While it can put the numbers in here. We have a box and we have a div. Where is the problem? So here this guy tried to change the size of a div inside of a class box. So this class box is a container and this div is the content. And he or she tried to change the size of this, not the container. But what we are going to do is changing the size, changing the place of the container itself. So maybe I shouldn't use align items and center the container. Nope. So display to flex. I don't really understand. Guys, I think I need to digging more information about how to fix this problem. As I understood, the way to centralize this div tag is to use display flags, justify content to center, and align items to center. But why it doesn't works, that's that I don't know, and I have to search the internet for it, or maybe ask some programmers, or if you know the answers, please comment it below. Thank you. So that's it. I'm going to finish recording, and for now I'm going to watch 20 minutes 30 minutes of video, a new video of learning programming, and 1 hour to take notes. So see you tomorrow, guys.